Here we go. Alex, you gonna play the ear?
Yep. Do your ears sing low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you time it up? Can you time it up? Can you throw mommy shoulder up? Hang low. Say peekaboo. Say peekaboo. He's in his playtime with Josh. Do you want to play? Let's go play. Come here, give me the ball. Give me the ball. She goes, no, I don't like you. No, I'm not going to do that. Alright, bite my arm, I don't care. Let's go, bite it. Bite it, let's go. He's got my arm. Oh no! He's got me! He will drag you, so be careful. He's got. Alright, let go.
Hey, Sasha.
I don't know what he's even doing. It's like a little soup toy. Oh wait, hold on, that really hurts.
I hope he breaks again. No, she just walks away like, screw you. You're a loser. Come on, Sasha. She's a loser. She's a loser.
Ow, Napoleon, you're biting me. Ow, 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 Napoleon.
Ow, in your arms and in your mouth.
Napoleon, you're not making me. Yes, you can. Come here. Hey. Stop. Chill. Chill.